How's your summer going so far? I hope it's great. I hope you guys aren't bored yet, but we've got lots of stuff to keep you going this weekend. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Hello, Localtarians. All right, guys, we're here for your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's the Local Love Report for June 24th, 25th, and 26th. Let's get this summer rolling, guys. This weekend's going to be amazing. We got lots of great stuff going on, and we're here to share it all with you. So stay tuned to find out what's happening in your area. So let's do it. Friday. Go see the city, Juneteenth Black-owned business food tour at various locations, Orlando and Winter Park area. We're going to put that link down in the description and a website so that you can get even more information. 10 a.m. Anime Festival Orlando 2022 at Wyndham Orlando Resort. $35 to $100 to enjoy this great event going on until June 26th. 10:30 a.m. Beauty and the Beast at Goldman Theater at Lowndes Shakespeare Center. $12 to $18 going on until July 24th. So come on out and support the arts. 12:30 p.m. on Friday, Mills 50 Pride Weekend. Gentle Yoga at Jazzercise Orlando Mills 50 Fitness Center. 2 p.m. The Center 24-hour Testathon at LGBT Plus Center Health and Human Services. And it's free, so come on out and get your tests. 5 p.m. Florida Music Conference at Ace Cafe Orlando. Come on out and enjoy an amazing array of music. Lots of fun people, great food. It's gonna be fun. $15 to $25. And you can have a rocking good time. 6 p.m. Splendid Saturation at Gallery Zero. And it's free. Come on out and enjoy a little art on your weekend. 6:30 p.m. Pulse Memorial Critical Mass at Lock Haven Park. This free bike ride is going to be so much fun. An amazing tribute to that memory. So come on out and support this great cause. 7:30 p.m. Systematic Skate Park Show going on at Central Florida Skate Park. $5. Come on out and watch the skateboarders do their thing. 8 p.m. The Ludes Cinema Stereo Howling Midnight going on at Will's Pub. Guys, Will's Pub's an amazing place to hang out, meet up with your friends, and enjoy a great night out. They've got great stuff on tap, not to mention your favorite beers in the cooler and craft cocktails as well. $8 will get you into this show. Come on out and support local music and style. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our Friday night. So make sure that if you're not done and you want to see even more great events, that every single day you will find on our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page a new event post. So make sure you go and check it out, see what's happening in your city. No reason to say you're bored. We've got a huge list of items on there for you guys to check out. And make sure that you take a little time to enjoy your week. We put them up there every single day. The new ones come out about 2 p.m. the day before. So make sure that if you like what we're doing here every week, that you go ahead and ring that bell and, subscribe so that we know that you like it. And of course, we are ready to move it into the heat of the weekend now. Let's get into it with Saturday. Bite 30, presented by Publix Aprons Cooking School. At top 30 restaurants in Orlando, they are giving you a 3-course Prix Fixe menu for just $33 per person. This is going on from now until the end of the month. Make sure you try out some of the best restaurants that you might not normally be able to afford. So come on out and enjoy a special night out and celebrate just being able to come out to a new spot. Or maybe celebrate an old spot that you really love and save. 8 a.m., 3-minute hit online. We're going to put that link down in the description. If you want to hit from home, you can get a great workout from the comfort of your own home. 11 a.m., Summerween at Ivanhoe Village, Main Street. $0 to $5. Come on out and support this great community event and enjoy a little summertime fun. 11 a.m. on Saturday, Bridal Expo at Cocoa Key, Orlando. Out on International Drive, it's free admission, $5 to park. If you are a bride-to-be or maybe a groom-to-be, come on out and learn a little bit more and get a little swag. Enjoy your bridal experience. 1 p.m. Triple Can Release and Tampa Brewery Showcase at Gatlin Hall Brewing. Come on out and taste these wonderful beers that are coming your way. 2 p.m. Ocean Resin Pendant at North Orange Library. Create a one-of-a-time resin pendant that looks like a beach scene. Recommended for ages 18 and up, but it's free. So come on out and check out what your library has for you. 4 p.m. Immigrant Appreciation Day at Gaston Edwards Park. Local food trucks, cultural acts, representatives from local community organizations, children's activities, a naturalization ceremony, local immigrant-owned vendors, and giveaways. There's so much going on, and it's a free community event. So come on out and celebrate being an integral part to the community. 5 p.m. on Saturday, Orlando Indie Night, 0 miles per hour, Mirror Parks, Plague Hill, Frogs Show Mercy at the House on Lang. $12 to $15. You can come out and celebrate a great local show with some amazing local musicians. Make sure you support them. Let them know that you like what they're doing. And follow them on all the platforms so you can see when their next show will be. 7:30 p.m. 101.1 WJRR and Leaving Haven presents Bad Luck Lori's 10-year anniversary. Leaving Haven, Maybe If You Hit It, Soul Switch, Sentinel Events at Haven Lounge. Free beer from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Advance, it's only $8 to get in. At the door, you'll pay $10. So make sure you get those advance tickets, everybody. And 9:30 p.m. on Saturday, Orlando official silent party at Nightshade Lounge downtown. All right, guys, make sure that you get reared up because here we go. Sundays are coming. 10 a.m. Sweet scavenger hunt at Canvas Restaurant and Market. 11 a.m. Bubble and Babes Drag Brunch, Studio 54 with Ashley Summers, Ginger Beers, Jessica Lane, and Dominic Taylor at Sanford Avenue Tavern. 12 p.m. Peanut Butter Matinee Family Film, The Karate Kid at Enzian Theater. Free for 12 and under with an adult. Make sure you guys come out and enjoy this great event. Perfect timing in the summer. The kids are going to love this movie if they've never seen the original, so bring them on out for the real deal. 1 p.m. Vegan Fest at Orlando Brewing. All right, guys, you know how it works. We love to get those great goodies. If you're vegan or maybe vegetarian or maybe you just want to try some new vegan stuff out for a change, come on out to Orlando Brewing. Grab one of their amazing beers while you're there. They have a whole wall of them. So amazing. I love their beer. So make sure you check it out and let them know that Local Love sent you their way. 2 p.m. on Sunday, Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix in concert at Walt Disney Theater, Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts, $45.50 to get into this musical endeavor. 3 p.m. Studio Ghibli Fest. The Cat Returns, 20th anniversary, various locations around our area, $13.38 and up. You can go to the link that we're going to put down in the description so that you can enjoy this amazing Studio Ghibli movie. 3 p.m. Introduction to palmistry at Hotel Casadega. If you've ever wanted to know about palm reading, now's your chance. Come on out and sign up to enjoy it out at the Hotel Casadega this Sunday. 5 p.m. Day Feet of the Summer, BAMSI, the Ladies' Day Feet at Mango's Tropical Cafe in Orlando, just off International Drive. Come on out and enjoy a ladies' night to remember. 7 p.m. Summer Breeze Fashion Show at MWP Media at Gemini Hookah Lounge, $35 and up, and you can come in and see what they're wearing this season. All right, guys, and last but not least, for your Sunday and your weekend, 8 p.m. Summer of Magic, the out-of-control magic comedy dinner show at Wonderworks, $23.99 to $33.99. You can come in and enjoy popcorn and pizzas and other great food items while you watch the great magic and comedy show. And of course, it will be going on most of the summer. So make sure you take time to come out and enjoy. All right, guys. Well, I hope that you do something amazing this week. Make sure you keep those kids entertained. If you're looking for more stuff, you can find some videos on our page in our Oh What a Sight or What I Think areas. You'll find lots of neat stuff and boredom breakers as well. So make sure you check out some of our other videos. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know if you have a question or if there's something that you'd like to see us do. And of course, here's how you can reach us on all of our platforms. And of course, we are excited to be here for you guys every single week. So see you next week. Peace.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.